So how do I clean my battery powered mower, right? There's electrical stuff in there. Should I grab my pressure washer and do it? I mean, I've washed my Honda mower out for years, or my Toro mower. How do I clean my battery powered mower? You know, you can wash this, but right under this area right here is an electric motor with a bearing and just stuff we want to be very careful when we get it wet. It can handle moisture when we're mowing the lawn, but forcing water, forcing pressure into it long term can be damaging. So really, my approach is to mow deck this machine, that anti-stick treatment. You've seen it before. Mow deck the machine, and when you get done mowing, simply grab a rag and just wipe it out. You can, like I said, you can wash it, but be careful. We do not want to focus here. We really want that washing, that cleaning to be in the outer perimeter of that mower deck. There you go. How to keep your RMA 460 clean on its bottom.
Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.